Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The new sports season of the Salesian Youth Sports Centers is ready to start to give new impetus to educational sport in Sicily. There will be various sporting events at regional and provincial level, training and refresher courses for technicians, coaches and managers. Everyone is called to the field and to start again with sport. The 1st of September marked the beginning of the new 2021 to 2022 season, a new but gradual beginning given the historical moment that is being experienced due to the COVID-19 pandemic. On the occasion of the start of the new season, the regional president Massimo Motta wanted to send a message of good wishes to all the companies of the Sicilian territory. Promoting and living sport in this historical moment is not easy. Only the tenacity of the true sportsman will be able to win this challenge against the resignation, the difficulties, the fears that the pandemic has sown in our lives and in everyday life. The Salesian Youth Sports Centers, with confidence and hope, believe in the restart, and for this reason, they want to offer the members, young athletes and the leaders of the various associations the opportunity to return to practice the sport they love in safety. Since 1980, the NGO Don Bosco Mondo, based in Bonn, has been committed to helping disadvantaged children and young people in Africa, Asia and Latin America, offering them a new possibility for an independent and dignified life through integral education and professional training. Coinciding with the anniversary of the foundation, the NGO celebrates by supporting the construction of a new home for street children in Makhalulu, near Kabwe, Zambia, and to pay tribute to his supporters and collaborators, he launched the campaign 40 Years to 40 Voices and the motto, Do Future Together, Make Future Together. About 750,000 children and young people work, sleep and live on the streets of Zambia's major cities. This also applies to the slum of Makhalulu in the city of Kabwe. After spending 2 weeks studying the Polish language in Szczecin at the Salesian community dedicated to Saint Joseph, Father Vaclav Clement, extraordinary visitor at Nutum and pro tempore, last Saturday, August 28, began the extraordinary visit to the St. Adalbert province of Poland Pila PLN, a province that counts works and presences in 4 European countries, Poland, Georgia, Russia and Sweden. Father Clement began his extraordinary visit precisely from the Salesian community located in the Swedish capital, Stockholm. The conclusion of the extraordinary visit is scheduled for December 19 with a meeting of the directors and the provincial council. It was directly the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, who presided during Vespers on Wednesday, 1st September, the installation of the new director of the work and of the Salesian community of Castel Gandolfo in the person of Father Tadeusz Rosmus, former councillor for the Central and Northern Europe region in the 6-year period 2014 to 2020. And this is because following the decision taken with the consent of the General Council, the Salesian work of Castel Gandolfo has been incorporated among the communities of the Rector Major RMG, for which he is directly responsible. This settlement, therefore, also marks the change of province of the community of Castel Gandolfo, because after many years of pastoral care by the Central Italy Circumscription ICC and previously by the Roman Province IRO, the community with all its activities has passed directly under the coordination of the RMG communities to allow a greater and better of all that carry their activity with the Holy See. The community of the Vatican, the community of the catacombs of San Callisto, and now also the pontifical parish of Castel Gandolfo. About 400 young people gathered at the Don Bosco Rural Training Center in Tetere from 27 to 29 August to participate in the 5th edition of the annual event, One Talk Bosco Camp. During the program, accompanied by a team of Salesians and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, the young people had the opportunity to deepen their knowledge of Don Bosco's preventive system based on reason and loving kindness. In an atmosphere of unity and closeness, from 23rd to 26 August, Father John Jairo Gomez, Superior of the Salesian Province of Colombia, Bogota, COB, visited the Salesian presence of Contratacion, a municipality in the mountains of Santander. His presence in the pastoral educational community was motivating, and his meetings with young people responded. The visit was also an opportunity to celebrate Don Bosco's 206th birthday and the anniversaries of priestly ordination and religious life. Contratacion is a municipality impregnated with Salesianity, where the charism of Don Bosco has been present for over 100 years. Sado, or Paraguay, Chaco, 50th anniversary of its foundation on August 28th. The commemoration began with a procession of the image of San and the celebration of by the Bishop of the Apostolic Vicariate of Chaco, Paraguayo, Salesian Monseñor Narcisus Escobar Ayala. Then a folklore show was held with the participation of the students, and subsequently some awards were given to some teachers. The multi-ethnic school Domenico Savio currently offers the middle level of the bachelor's degree in accounting, in addition to the initial level, teaching, the basic school, education of young people and adults, and catechesis. In addition, it provides the approximately 400 students with an education based on Don Bosco's preventive system. The nation remembers Major Dhyan Chand, an Indian field hockey player, on his 116th birth anniversary, and August 29 is celebrated annually as a National Sports Day in memory of him. Taking the lead from his legendary player, the youth of Sanath Nagar Parish, Hyderabad, organized Sports Day for the catechism children. "We are fed up with playing video games all these days, now so happy to play outdoors," said one of the children. "We need more of these games," said another child. There were about 100 children and 60 elders. Father Nagothu Papaya, SDB, Rector and Parish Priest, Father Boba Joji Babu, SDB, Administrator, Father Lingampali Ashok, Youth Coordinator, Parish Youth and the Parish Council members led the sports activities. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.